Hello, friends. Fine correction. Hello, friend. If I sound like I am sitting in a trash can today, that is because I am sick. But the devotion must go on. Devotion 82. King Saul reigned for 2 relatively quiet, obedient years, but then his spiral into self-will and disobedience began. The Philistines came to battle against Israel, and Samuel told Saul to wait until a certain day and that he would come and offer sacrifice before Israel joined the battle. But something delayed Samuel by just a few minutes. 1 Samuel 13:8. And he tarried 7 days. Thought you said a few minutes. According to the set time that Samuel had appointed. But Samuel came not to Gilgal, and the people were scattered from him. Seeing the people beginning to scatter, Saul determined to take matters into his own hands. 1 Samuel 13:9. Saul said, Bring hither a burnt offering to me, and peace offerings. And he offered the burnt offering. This was not his place. He was the king, not a priest. And because of this disobedience, taking the role of the priesthood unto himself, Samuel gave a word from the Lord to him, a word that he did not want to hear. 1 Samuel 13:13. Samuel said to Saul, Thou hast done foolishly. Thou hast not kept the commandment of the Lord thy God, which he commanded thee. For now would the Lord have established thy kingdom upon Israel forever. But now thy kingdom shall not continue. The Lord hath sought him a man after his own heart, and the Lord hath commanded him to be captain over his people, because thou hast not kept that which the Lord commanded thee. God was not looking for a man who would take everything upon his shoulders. He was looking for a man after his own heart. Do realize that while we as God's children have a great many responsibilities, the greatest responsibility we have is to make sure that our heart lines up with his heart on everything. A wonderful lesson. Not follow our own heart, but be that one who is after God's own heart. Have a blessed day.